How to fix Tenten app not working. So if you want to fix the Tenten app not working, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store, go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Tenten. Once you search here, you will have the application. So make sure that you've updated the application. If you have any updates, simply go and update the application. Once you've updated, if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to scroll down and go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to go with see all apps and go with the search. And here you need to search for Tenten. Now, if you've not allowed any notifications or any permissions, then go to the permissions or notifications and allow the permissions. Once you allow the permissions, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with storage and cache. And here, you need to go with clear cache and also the clear storage. Once you've done clear cache and clear storage, now you need to remove the application from your settings. And you just need to simply restart your device. Simply press and hold on to your power button, restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply uninstall the Tenten application once and again install it from your App Store or your Play Store, and your problem might be fixed. That's how you can fix your Tenten app not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.